What's up, Geeksters? It's me, Omar from Geekster Labs, and today I have a sponsored review for a product that was sent to me from KINGJOY, and this is their Pro Video Monopod. And so this product retails for $109 on Amazon. I have a link down below in the description to make that really easy to find if you're interested in purchasing this after the review. And so just so you guys are aware, the number of the parts I have here, so the base that I'm using right here is the MP3008, so that's the actual monopod, and the head that I'm using here is the KH-6750. I'm only telling you that because I know people are going to ask me those questions in the comments, so I'm just going to get those out of the way now just to let you know that's the actual kit that I'm using here. Okay, so like I said, this one retails for $109. So it goes from 25 inches tall, which is what you see right here. As you can see, it does have like the spread out legs, the tripod type of base. And so it goes from 25 inches all the way up to 69 inches tall. So pretty big, which is perfect for someone my size. It will hold up to 22 pounds. The plate on here is 2.5 by 1.5 inches plate. And so I have another plate here. This is similar to like a Manfrotto 501 plate, and you can kind of see like the difference. This is made probably more so for DSLR cameras, camcorders, maybe some smaller cinema cameras if you wanted to use that, but it is rated to hold up to 22 pounds, which is pretty nice. Also included with the monopod, it does include a carrying case, which is a really nice padded carrying case. It has hand straps and a shoulder strap to it as well, so if you need to travel with it, you can probably even fit more stuff in here because this monopod is not that large, so you can probably put 2 monopods in here if you really wanted to. And so that also comes with like Allen wrenches and things like that to be able to do adjustments on the monopod if you need it. So that is included with the monopod as well. So the head on here is a fluid head, which is meant for video. So you have like your panning, your tilting, very smooth action on that as well. It has a really small, lightweight handle. It folds up really well, so it kind of goes straight and it's easy to carry away and be portable for you. So we do have some fluid action that way, and then we do also have a fluid pan. And so this head is also removable as well, and if you take it off, you would have basically just a monopod, and it does have a 3/8 and a 1/4 inch screw on there, so you can swap those out if you want to attach a different head to it or other accessories. You can swap it out as well if you want to put like a telescope or whatever it is, binoculars, some other things. You can take this off, and you can do that as well if you want to take the head off of here. The legs itself, they do lock out, so as you can see, and it does have a twist locking mechanism here to raise and lower the monopod, so that's really fast. And like I said, 69 inches is how tall it gets, which is really good height. And the base is really nice, so it has a removable tripod base as well, so you can actually take this piece off and you can actually use this to mount your camera to this as well if you want to put like a different head or something onto that. But for me, when I use monopods, I tend to catch myself, especially when shooting video, doing the kind of swiveling back and forth movement, especially when I have like a big lens on my camera and I'm trying to focus, like when I'm shooting a wedding or something. So I was kind of hoping to get something to where I could have something with the tripod legs, and it'll allow me to not constantly move side to side, and I'll kind of keep the camera in place. However, this one is made in such a way to where you can lock it out if you want to have it freestanding like this. And there's a little collar on the bottom here, so if you loosen up the collar, that will give you up to 18 degrees of tilt. The catch to it though is when the collar is lowered all the way down, it's not going to go anywhere, it's not going to tilt or fall over anything. However, if you're tilting the camera itself, you begin to unscrew the base or unscrew the legs. And if I keep going, I can keep unscrewing the legs, and this is basically what you need to do if you want to use the tripod legs for a separate type of thing. If you want to strap something else to it, this has a larger screw mount right there. So it's meant to be done that way, but I would almost prefer it didn't come out like this because I kind of want something that will not spin continuously when it is locked out. So there's no way to actually super securely tighten it up to where it won't accidentally come loose when you start moving like this. So it's just something you have to be mindful of while you're shooting, to know like if you're going to be doing any kind of panning, you need to hold this in this neck and spin it from here and not spin it from the actual base right here, but you need to hold it from here and do the panning from here. So that's the only issue I really found when using this monopod. Besides it though, it's really sturdy, really stable, especially even when it's fully extended out completely 69 inches. The legs do a pretty good job of holding it up. I'm not saying I would just leave a camera standing there while it's like this and fully extended out. I'm just saying when it is fully extended out 69 inches that it will keep it nice and steady and smooth, and you won't have to like worry about it tipping over as long as you're nearby it. So, and when it's on something like this, I would feel pretty secure. If it's completely collapsed all the way in 25 to 25 inches the way it is right now, I'd feel secure leaving the camera on top of there, on top of a table, and not being worried that it might tip over as long as no one bumps into it or anything. But overall, it's been a pretty positive experience, and it's been pretty useful using while filming videos and such, especially when you're like running and gunning, like weddings, or if you're at a trade show or something like that. I don't want to be packing a huge tripod with me. I just want something that's going to help me keep everything stable and steady and not have to have a big tripod where I have to lug it around with me. You can strap this easily to a bag, camera bag or a backpack or something, and you'd be good to go. And it does have a wrist strap here as well, in case you want to use that. But keep it in your hand when you're walking around or whatever. Besides that though, that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions about this monopod, let me know in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. Like I said, I'll have a link down below in the description to make it really easy to find this product online on Amazon and to purchase it for yourself. If you guys want to check out some of my other videos, I got 2 of the clips over here you can click on. And if you'd like to subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure you click on my face. And don't forget to ring that bell to be notified of all my new reviews as they drop on my channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video review.